Our adjudicator awards are upon the recommendation of our adjudication panel, in addition to the group who receives an average score of 95 or higher. And it is our pleasure to present to Duncanville 4 Adjudicator Trophy Awards. Duncanville Acapella, Chamber Singers, Acapella Women, and Duncanville Men's Choir. Congratulations. Their trophies. We would like to now present the Outstanding Band Group. Let me explain this trophy briefly. The Outstanding Band Group is the group who received the highest average score at the festival today. The Outstanding Band Group goes to George Washington Concert Band. The Outstanding Choral Group. The Outstanding Choral Group will go to of course, the choral group with the highest average score for today. It's my pleasure to present Duncanville. Accomplishments. As you have noted, all of our awards up to this point and after this point are all group related. However, we, not necessarily us, but the adjudicators, spotted some miraculous and very talented individuals who we'd like to honor this evening. Could I please have come forward? And before I present these, there's so much talent today in this room and through the whole adjudication process that we came unprepared. We do not have enough of these Maestro Awards that we're going to hand out, so we will have to ship some out after the event. But needless to say, we want these individuals to please come forward. From Notre Dame with Emma Anderson and Brian Brown. Come up here and stay with us a minute. You guys come and join us over here. From Holly Junior Senior, may we please have Brianna Blackburn. May we please have Marcus Howard? And Garrett, and I apologize in advance, Garrett, he's stealing the job. From Point Pleasant Borough, may we please have Evan Pierce and Rachel Appleton. a very special award to us, and it's based upon not necessarily evaluation, but more discretion from us as World Strides Heritage staff. We would like to present this award tonight, not necessarily to a school, which is typical, but to a particular group who has shown true festival spirit. We would like to award this to Father Judge Dance. In the bags, there may be some festival gold certificates. Let me explain briefly what that means. Over the last several years, Heritage Festivals has produced an elite performance series called Festival Gold. These festivals are by invitation only. You can successfully, a group can successfully audition, or by virtue of a gold performance or receiving an evaluation of 90 or above, is invited to participate in this Festival of Gold. These are held in some of the most prestigious venues in the nation, from Segerstrom Hall in Southern California, Orchestra Hall in Chicago, the Kennedy Center in D.C. Instrumental and choral groups are invited to participate in those. In addition to, choral groups are invited to participate in a festival at Carnegie Hall. So directors, we have put those in your respective bags. So let's turn our attention this time to our sweepstakes award. We have a choral and instrumental sweepstakes award. The choral sweepstakes award will be presented to the group who brought 2 or more ensembles with them this day, and whose average combined score of those 2 groups is closest to the 200 points. I would like to award this trophy at this time in the choral category to Duncanville. Also, for the school who brought 2 or more groups to the festival, and whose average score of those 2 groups is closest to 200 points. It's with pleasure to present this award to Father Judge.